How to fix Snapchat memories not working on iPhone. Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video I will show you how to fix the problem like if Snapchat memories aren't loading or working on your iPhone. So let's get started. First, make sure that you are connected to a stable internet connection. For that, open up any browser. After you open browser, in the source field, search for fast.com. After you source it, this website will tell you the exact speed of your internet, and from this section you can manually check your internet connection whether it is stable or not. After you confirm it, from this section you'll have to again confirm that if any updates are available for Snapchat. For that, open up App Store. After you open App Store, in the source field, search for Snapchat. After you find Snapchat and if any updates are pending, tap on the update option to update latest version of Snapchat on your iPhone. After you update, your problem should be fixed. If you are still facing that problem, make sure that you have turned on the background app refresh for Snapchat. For that, open up settings. From settings, scroll down and tap on apps. And from app section, find out the application Snapchat. After you find it, tap on that. From Snapchat, make sure that this feature background app refresh is turned on. After you confirm, back from here, and if you are still facing that problem, at last you'll have to clear the cache of Snapchat. For that, tap on General. From General, tap on iPhone storage. And from here again, find out the application Snapchat. After you find it, tap on that. From here, tap on Upload App, or let tap on Upload. After you upload app, tap on reinstall app again. From this process, after you clear cache of Snapchat, your problem should be fixed. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to give a like and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more quick and short tutorial like this. Thank you for watching this. Have a nice day.